So in this video, I want to show you how to make a scatter chart in Excel. And so you'll see I already have in here this table with some data in it. And so these are the hours after midnight, and this is the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit recorded. And so starting at midnight, 0 hours after midnight, since it is midnight, and going up to 24 hours after that, so midnight again, we have these recorded temperatures, and we're going to make a scattered chart out of this. And so we need to first off select all of our data, and notice I did select my headings up here, my labels, and it will include those in my chart. And so it's kind of handy if you already have them in there. It puts them right in. Super easy to have a title on your chart if you want that. If not, just don't select that when you're selecting your data. We're going to go to insert right here, and then this one right here with all these dots, that's our scatter charts. So if I click here, you can see we have some different types, and they really just show up a little bit different. First one we'll do is the scatter chart that only has the markers, so it just has a dot for each one of these, and so it treats each set here as an ordered pair, and so I would have the ordered pair 0, 34, and it would put a point on that, and that's what this scatter chart is doing. That's what we'll use. We'll click on that and it adds it right in, and you can see that there's a point for each one of those ordered pairs that I have from my data right there. And so if you want, you can change some colors, do some different things here with it. If you're interested in changing the look of it, you can do that up here in our chart tools. I'm going to show you maybe one or two others. Let's scrunch this down so we have some room, but so we can, whoops, a little too far, still kind of see our points on that one. Let's say now I'm going to, maybe I want my points connected. I don't just want those points. I can do that too with this. I have some different options. I can do a smooth connect, so as it curves, it creates a smooth curving line, or I can just connect it with these straight lines in between each point. It's just a straight line between that, or I can not put the points on there at all. I can just have smooth lines or just straight lines in between where those points would be. We're going to do a smooth one with the points on there and take a look at that. And so you can see now it's connected by a line. They're all kind of nice and smooth there. Let's put this one maybe not quite so long. That makes it look nice and straight. So notice how that changes depending on my scaling there. Let's try one more here, and we'll select all our data again, and let's say I don't even want to see my points. Maybe I just want to have this smooth scatter, and so now it just connects those points, but it doesn't put them in, and it connects it in a nice smooth line right there, and that's our chart. And so you can do lots of different things with these where we're just connecting these points, either with a line, or we can just have the points on there if we want to do that. And that's our scatter charts.